Occasionally, we may be asked to send our AutoCAD drawing to someone else. When this happens, it's important to remember that everyone doesn't necessarily use the most current version of AutoCAD. Some firms, in fact, don't use AutoCAD at all. They may use a completely different CAD program. Let's look at how we can save our drawings for clients who may not be using the same software as we are. On my screen, I've got a plan of survey. Let's say that I'm a surveyor and I need to send this drawing to a civil engineer. And let's say the civil engineer isn't using AutoCAD 2010. Maybe they're using AutoCAD 2000. Let me show you how we can save this drawing as an older release such that we can email the file to our client and they'll be able to open it. To do that, I'm going to come up to the Application menu, and then I'll come down and select Save As. And in the Files of Type area, I'm going to click the flyout, and notice that we can save our drawing as several older releases of AutoCAD. We can go all the way back to Release 14. Looking at the bottom of the menu, we can see that my file can also be saved as a DXF. DXF stands for Drawing Exchange Format. Select this format if your client is using a CAD program other than AutoCAD, because just about every CAD package can open a DXF file. Now my client is using AutoCAD 2000, so I will select that, and I don't want to overwrite my original drawing, so I'm going to add a suffix to my file name, and then we can click Save. Now before I click this, it's important to mention that there are certain features that exist now that didn't exist in older releases. So certain things like annotative objects aren't going to work the same for my client as they do for me. AutoCAD will convert these objects into something else, like plain text, so that my client will be able to see them. I'm going to finish with my save, and the file that we created could now be sent to the client, and he would be able to open this without any problems. No matter what CAD package our client may be using, whether it be an older version of AutoCAD or a program from another company, we can still provide our client with a drawing they can use by simply saving as an alternate format.